Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of like Netflix or something like that, or some sort of account on Google TV. So what you want to do is go all the way over to the right and select this, and then go down to apps. Go to the right and go to see all apps, and then choose the application you want to sign out of. So let's go to Netflix, for example. Go to the right, and then go down to where it says clear data. Now, when you clear the data, this is going to remove your account information from this, so your login email and password, etc. And then it's going to force you to log in once again. So this will automatically sign you up. All the data for the app will be permanently deleted. The files, settings, accounts, database. So just go to OK right here. And then you can go to open, and then you'll have to sign back into Netflix again, or it could be like YouTube, Hulu, Disney Plus, etc. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.